Hi, what's up, Chinese learners? I'm in Suzhou now. Here is Eagles Park. Today we'll learn seasons and months. 月份 months 月亮 moon 月光 moonlight 月光月饼 moon cake 月饼1月 January 1月2月 February 2月烟花3月下扬州3月 March 3月4月 April 4月5月 May 5月6月 June 6月7月 July 7月8月 August 8月9月 September 9月10月 October 10月11月 November 11月12月 December 12月 Now is October 10月 Just several days ago, I was on a trip to Yangzhou. I visited the garden 个园 which is a house and a private garden of a salt merchant, salt businessman of Qing Dynasty. He constructed 4 artificial mountains featuring 4 seasons. Let's have a look.这就是所谓的春山 mountain 春 spring 景 scenery 春景 spring scenery。 现在是下山 summer 夏景 summer scenery。 现在看到的是秋山秋 autumn 秋景 autumn scenery。 冬景 winter scenery。 这是东山冬 winter 冬春夏秋冬 can be used either as adjective or noun。 季节 season 季 is also season。 四季 four seasons。 春季夏季秋季冬季天 day 春天夏天秋天冬天春季 they have same meaning spring 在春天在春季 in the spring but we seldomly see 在春。 I truly appreciate you watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. 再见。